What is that, Honk? You want that? You want that, Honk? I just put the dock in front of him. That's Honk. Of course, the other one's Quackers. But Honk hasn't shut up. Let's see. Try and pan out a little bit. Or, yeah, go ahead and just show it to him. That would be Honk. What's that, Honk? Now, Bomber is sitting there and behaving himself. But that's... Do you see what he's doing? At all costs. This is why I recommended Honk. All right, buddy. It'll be the two of them. You notice the other two puppies. They've got good drive, but they just don't lose their minds. Look at, he is just slobbering on himself. I don't know if you can see the froth.
The cranes. Let's get him out.
He's slobbering. Okay, Honk. Let's go. Don't jump. Don't jump. There go my sunglasses.
Sorry.
I saw you throw it in the bed.
Get out the way.
Spaz. There's a fence there.
Do you want me to open it and then get it?
No, let's see how bad he wants it. Go get it, Honk. Go get it.
See, early on we might want to let go.
Got some haystacks here. We're gonna toss it up where he may or may not be able to get to it, but we'll see how bad he tries. If you can get it up there,
Mark? Honk, here. Ready? Mark? Whoops.
See if you can throw one a straight line right to here, where he's kind of got to go through a little bit of obstacle to get at
I
it.
was trying to do that.
Oh, okay.
But it bounces.
Oh, here he goes. You can't see how big it is from up here for him.
You got it?
Yeah, he did. It's caught up in the netting for the hay.
Drag it.
Oh, he made it up. Good boy, Honk. Oh, oh good Lord. That's high for him. He knocked his wind out. Donk.
Oh, dang it.
Poor boy.
Okay, Honk, ready?
Oh, go on, Honk. Oh, there he goes. Okay, up and over the first one. It's way in the back end. He's got to find it now. Where's it at? It's way over there.
Come on, Honk. Come on, Honk.
He's looking where he found it before.
I probably
He's
should've tried it.
smelling. He's using his nose. He's smelling where it had been. That's okay. Just let him see how long and how hard he looks for it. Oops, I lost him. He's still looking. Oh, that's a good boy, Honk.
Ready, Honk? Mark.
Oh, he got
All
up!
over backwards. Bring it here, baby. One.
He'll put it up on those big ones. He's
Ready? Honk. Mark. Oh.
Oops, it falls off. Good boy! He's like, I willed it down.
Honk. Mark.
Go get it. Get it, Honk. You want it? You want it? Fetch it up. Go get it.
Honk.
Like, how do I get over there?
Come on, Honk. Oh boy, there you go.
Oh, I got it. All right. Way to go, buddy.
You just gotta
Yeah,
get
nice.
it,
Oh,
right?
it went down here. Go get it.
Get it, Honk.
Now he's got to get down.
You gotta get it, buddy.
He's like, whoa. Oh, whoa. Yeah.
Good boy. Wanna let Crackers do it?
Yeah, let's let Crackers go.